All of us have heard of project management, but only few have heard of Agile Project Management. Hello, and welcome to a new episode of the Agile Knowledge Series. In 2001, a group of software developers gathered to discuss an alternative approach to traditional project management methods. They identified 4 core values, also known as the Agile Manifesto. These are individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. Agile project management has become very popular. In fact, Agile Project Management became a part of the Project Management Institute's PMI syllabus for the Project Management Professional PMP certification. But wait, is Agile Project Management exclusive to the IT world? No, not at all. Agile Project Management is used outside of the IT world. It has been adopted by a wide range of industries and organizations, such as manufacturing, construction, healthcare, finance, marketing, advertising, government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and education. The Agile approach is flexible and adaptable, and it can be applied to any type of project, regardless of industry or sector. Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban can be used to manage projects that involve product development, service delivery, or process improvement. Agile project management is more useful in situations where there is a high level of uncertainty or unpredictability, and where the requirements of the project are likely to change. Agile methodologies can help teams to collaborate more effectively, respond more quickly to changing requirements, and deliver more value to customers. It helps organizations to deliver faster, with better quality, and more efficiently. If you want to know more about Agile Project Management, follow the link below and enroll in our Agile Project Management with Scrum course. I hope that you find this information useful. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Stay tuned. See you next week with a new topic and new episode.